Hello everybody, today I'd like to tell you about Tokyo Disneyland 5 tips you should know to enjoy in the holiday season. Now it's December, fun time to enjoy the Christmas and winter season in the park. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. So let's get started. What is this video for? I went to Disneyland in December to enjoy Christmas. For those who are the first timers of Tokyo Disney, this video should be a great help. Here is a table of contents. First, Disney Premier Access. Second, Entry Request. Third, Priority Pass. 4. Mobile Order. 5. Christmas Merchandise. I went to 3rd December and I arrived in my home station at 7:20. So let's go.
いやーもうあそこまで混んでる。まだ開園まで1時間半もあるのに。
First, Disney Premier Access. Do you know what Premier Access? This service, available for free, will allow guests to select designated times to be admitted to and enjoy certain experiences. At 8:44, I entered into the park.
さあ入りました。では DPA 取るぞ。
Then tried to get DPA.
あるあるあるある。
2枚買った？
うん。2枚。来た。
ありがとう。
しゃ。
So at 8:44, it was almost sold out for the parade of the Christmas stories. Actually, there are 6 types of DPA. First of all, Christmas stories that would be sold out at 8:40. The Christmas stories at Morris Cottage would be 8:50. Electrical Parade Dream Lights that would be 9:30. Disney Harmony in Color that would be 10. And attractions about Beauty and the Beast that would be 10 a.m. The Happy Rides with Baymax would be 4 p.m. So it depends on the attractions or parade. So now the Christmas stories is the most popular attractions of all. So please be careful. If you want to see in a good seat, you must get it, and you have to enter into the park just before 8:40. Here is a seat for the DPA of the Disney Christmas stories. I was in the 5th row, so you can see Mickey friends very close. It was wonderful to see, and it was very good to Mickey friends stopped just in front of me and enjoyed it about 10 minutes. That was an amazing moment for me. So if you want to have a DPA, let's go to the park very early in the morning. Second, entry request. What is entry request? For everyone's safety and enjoyment, certain experiences require an entry request. It's like, a couple of shows, you must do an entry request to have a seat.
さあ時刻は8時46分です。DPA もクリスマスストーリーズ取れて幸先がめちゃくちゃいいですね。では今から3度目の正直マジカルミュージックワールドに行ってみたいと思います。
Sorry, it's Japanese. I actually got Mickey Magical Music World. Finally got it.
マジカルミュージックワールドも当たってしまいました。今向かってたんですけど。やった。
やった。心に余裕ができたね。
本当やね。どうしよう。予定変わっちゃった。予定が狂ったな。いい意味で狂ったな。
Actually, at the first show, you can queue up for the seat. It means all seats are for free, and all seats are for those who are queuing as early as possible. So I tried to get there at the first show, but luckily I secured the seat. So here's the schedule of Mickey Magical Music World. 2nd to 31st December, 10:50, 12:15, 13:40, 15:45, 17:10. We aimed for the last show to have a seat, to get a seat. So finally we got it. Actually, you can choose one of them. It shows on the app you can get or not. I think the last one would be the best, since many people will get out of the park. So it's, that would be much better, I suppose. But I'm not quite so sure. So here's a seat. It's very close to the stage, right? Not only this, but also I tried to get Jamboree Mickey's reserved seat. Yes, so we won the reserved seat for Jamboree Mickey as well. It was the first time to get the 2 shows for reserved seat. It was a 5th row, very close to the Mickey. Here it is. So for Jamboree Mickey, here's the schedule. We have five times the show in a day, and we also tried to get the last one, and we got it. Yeah, lovely Mickey and the Minnie Mouse and the Donaldo, so lovely. So you have to do an entry request after you got into the park. Third, priority pass. How many priority pass can we get in a day? So before start going to the priority pass, what is priority pass? This service, available free of charge, allows guests to select eligible experiences and enter the venue at a specified time and enjoy the selected experiences with a reduced wait time. So it's for free, and you can enjoy attractions without a long queue. We got Haunted Mansion at 10:50 to 11:50. It's actually, you cannot choose a time, but you have to get it at the time showed on the app. After that, we got it for the Big Thunder Mountain from 6 p.m., 6:10 p.m. to the 7:10 p.m. And finally, we got it for the Star Tours. It looks very tight schedule, right? Actually, as many priority pass as you want, but you have to follow the rule. The rule for the priority pass is one thing you have to know about the priority pass is this. So how can we get another pass? 120 minutes after obtaining their last 40th anniversary priority pass, or after the start time of the last 40th anniversary priority pass, whichever is earlier. So the second one would be the much earlier, I guess. So please choose a very early timed priority pass and get to the right, and after that you can get another priority pass. So if you do it as early as you can have as many priority pass as you want. So it means once you enter into the park, you have to get the priority pass at first, and then enjoy the ride or wait 120 minutes and then get to the next pass. Actually, this is attractions you can get as using priority pass, and what time will it be out of? So first, Pooh's Honey Hunt. On weekdays, that will be 9:30, weekends as well. Monsters Inc., that will be 11:30, weekends also same time. A Haunted Mansion, weekdays 11 a.m., weekends 10 a.m. A Space Mountain, 11:30, weekends 11:30. A Buzz Lightyear's Astro Blaster, that'll be 11:30 for weekdays and weekends. A Big Thunder Mountain, that'll be 11:30 for weekdays and 12 for weekends. Star Tours, that'll be for weekdays, that'll be 3 p.m. and weekends 3 p.m. as well. So I recommend to get Pooh's Honey Hunt at first, and then get on it. You must get maybe Haunted Mansion or Space Mountain or Buzz Lightyear, and Star Tours you can get at after 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. So this time, again, I got Haunted Mansion and Big Thunder Mountain and Star Tours. But actually, I cancelled Big Thunder Mountain since I didn't have enough time to get it. For mobile order, it was so convenient. So what is mobile order? It allows guests to place an order from the menus of eligible restaurants at the parks anytime and from anywhere in the park without waiting in line at the restaurant. This service is available on the Tokyo Disney Resort app after entering the park. Here is a restaurant. You can use mobile order. First, Plasma Raid's Diner, and second, Grandma Sarah's Kitchen. I chose Grandma Sarah's Kitchen at this time. And once you open up the app and choose the Disney mobile order, sorry it's Japanese, choose the restaurant and choose the time you want to eat at the restaurant and choose the food what you want, and then you need to secure the seat on your own. It means if you once you ordered the food, it's not like ordered for seats, so you need to secure the seat on your own.
今日のお昼はグランマサラのキッチンモバイルオーダーしました。美味しそうだね。我々はチキンアソートプレートを頼みました。
At 10:30, that's exactly the time for the mobile order. We went to pick up the food at the selected time.
モバイルオーダーの列が真ん中だそうです。で、右と左は通常の列なので、真ん中はめちゃくちゃ空いてます。モバイルオーダーめちゃくちゃ便利です。すごく便利です。
We didn't wait any minutes and got it smoothly. I ate chicken and I love teriyaki chicken. It's so tasty. Very cozy and relaxed atmosphere here. Please choose this restaurant. 5. Christmas merchandise. At Disney & Company, the shop, you can find many Christmas merchandise. It's in the World Bazaar. Little ring goods are very popular. It looks Mickey, but it's not Mickey. It's kinda alien. Lovely chocolate here. I bought it for my friends. Looks good, right? And here's some sweets, which looks like Christmas tree and something very related to Christmas. And the Minnie's doll and some keychains. It's all so cute, and please get it. And small doll. It looks lovely, right? The featured animal for 2024 will be the dragon, so you can find many merchandise for 2024. It's quite Japanese, so please get it. Make your friends wearing the costumes as dragons. Looks lovely, right? I actually bought Little Ring doll and sweets, and Christmas handkerchief, and keychain of Daruma looking Mickey. It's so cute, right? So that's it for today's video. How was it? I hope you understand the Tokyo Disney rule, and it's kinda, very complicated. But once you entered in the park, at the first 5 minutes would be very important. Do an entry request and get DPA and priority pass and a mobile order. So if you do it, and then you can enjoy the park. That's all pretty much. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful time at Disneyland. Please subscribe my channel and subscribe my Instagram as well. Now I'm doing the TikTok and something very latest information. I put it, so hope you enjoy it. So how was the video? I really enjoyed in the Christmas season of Disneyland. Actually, this time you can see a very big Christmas tree in the middle of the World Bazaar. It looks stunning, so amazing, and you can find many characters, and you can do hugs and take picture. That will be very amazing moment, right? So hope you have enjoyed Tokyo Disneyland. It's quite interesting and very enjoyable. So hope to get there. And if you have any questions about Disney or Japanese trip, please give me a comment, so I'll give you as quickly as I can. So see you next time. Bye bye.